Gidger, you ready to go play in the snow?
Aren't you going to ruin those eggs in the snow?
No, they're waterproof.
Let me get my shoes.
Where are you going?
Well, you want me to video it? How am I going to do it if you're out there and I'm in here?
Abby, move.
Abby, stay here. Here's some yardstick.
Come on, Gidge. Go, Gidger, go. Oh. Come on, Gidger, go play. Come on. We're going to see how much snow we got out here. Hold on, you're making the snow dirty. Alright, well, I'm going to have to go to a place. Let's see. We got... Oh. It's... Whoa. That's not working. It's almost 5 inches. Right now. Almost, not yet. About 4.5. Gidger, I go play in the snow. Woo!
You should ask Kurt if you can borrow the blower.
Oh, is that Kurt?
Is he out there?
That's, it looks like, I don't know who that is. Clayton? Is that Clayton?
I don't know what house it is.
At Clayton's house.
Well, Kurt's house.
Gidger, what do you think? Gidget, come here. Gidget Ann, come here. Come here.
How much is there?
Almost 5. Oh, Gidger's gonna take a poop on camera. I thought it'd be good. Poor dog can't find a place to go poop. Gidget, just go. Looks like she's trying to make a trench. Oh, there she goes. Okay, we'll let her poop. Mom was trying to shovel here, and she did earlier today, about 2 hours ago, and it didn't do any good, as you can see. Good girl, Gidger! Good girl, Gidger! Whew. Okay, now we're gonna get Abby already. It's Abby's turn. Alright, Abby's turn.
Did she go?
Uh-huh.
It's frozen. Can't get the food out.
Abby won't run away. Come on, Abby.
No. Oops. Come
on, Abby. Go, go, go. Come on.
You need to pick her up.
No, she can walk. Abby almost gets lost in the snow. Abby! Abby! Yardstick fell. Where'd you go? Oh, Abby's done. Gabby! Go clean the snow! Clean the snow! Abby, come here! Abby, come here! Yeah. Woo! Abby, come on! Abby! 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 She says, I'm done, Mom. Alright.